Carlos buy a new car. It's very expensive car. It's huge, blue and fast car. While driving down the street, Carlos see a girl on bicycle. She had long blonde hair and is beautiful. He yelled to her, "What's up?" She ignores him. He yelled, "How's it going?" She kept going and ignores him. He yelled, "Hey, why won't you talk to me? I wanna go to dinner with you. I'll take you to an expensive restaurant." The girl gets off the bike and look at him. She shouts, "I don't wanna go to dinner, but if you give me your car, I will give you a surprise." Carlos shouts, "Okay." He jumped out of the car. He give her the key and shout, "Here's the key." The beautiful blonde takes the key and then kisses Carlos on the cheek. Then she jumps into the car and drives away. Carlos stands on sidewalk. Now he has no car and no girl. He says, "That's it. Should she the church?" He gets on her bike and drives home.